Hello student. Today we'll discuss on a representation of truth table, sum of product, in short we can call it SOP, then product of sum, in short we can call it as POS form. So starting with what is meant by truth table? A diagram in rows and columns showing how the truth or false or falsity of a proposition varies with that of its component. A diagram of the outputs from all possible combination of inputs. Construction of truth table. Suppose argument based on two statements. The possible situation of truth table value is 4. If you toss 2 coins, then probability of head and tail is 4. See, L means you can say that in the number 0, and high means 1. Both 0, then 1 0, then 0 1 and 1 1. Output is 1. Output here, output are the L H 0 0 0 1. These are the probability tables. See now, Boolean function representation. If Boolean algebra 0 is used to represent open state or false state of logic gate. Similarly, 1 is used to represent closed state or truth state of logic gate. True state of logic gate. A Boolean expression is an expression which consists of variables, constant and logical operation which result in true or false. A Boolean function is an algebraic form of Boolean expression. A Boolean function of n variable is represented by function 1, 2 like this one. By using Boolean laws and theorem, we can simply Boolean function of digital circuits. Main important we see understood the Boolean algebra 0 used for represented open state or false state of logic gate, and 1 means closed state or truth state. See now, SOP in sum of product form. The sum of product forms is a method or form of simplifying Boolean expression of logic gate. In these SOP forms of Boolean function representation, the variables are operated by AND means product or to form product term, and all these product terms are all sum or added together to get final function. The sum of product form is also called disjunctive standard SOP form. Disjunctive standard SOP form. See, these are the examples. From that one it will be clear. See, A into B. Here is the AND operation. A and B is ANDing operation. And A, B into C. These are again AND. Then both ANDing operation will be combined with the plus sign, means OR operation. These are the examples. Sum of product is like this one. Product term plus another product term plus another product term, like this one. Now SOP form can be obtained by writing an AND term of each input combination which produces high output. Writing an AND term of each, what is important, each input combination which produces high output. Writing the input variable if the values is 1, and write the complement of variable if its value is 0. Or the AND term to obtain the output function. Now next one is product of sum term. Product of sum forms. The product of sum form is a method of a simplified Boolean expression of logic gates. In this POS form, all variables are OR, that is written as sum of sum terms. All these sum terms are AND, means multiplied, together to get the product of sum form. This form is exactly opposite of SOP form. So this can also be said as dual of SOP form. Here the sum terms are defined by using the OR operation and the product term is defined by using the AND operation. When two or more sum terms are multiplied by Boolean OR operation, the result output expression will be in the form of product of sum form or POS form. The product of sum form is also called as conjunctive or standard POS. See, these are the example. A plus B means here is OR operation. If you compare this example with your SOP, here is instead of plus, here is the ending operation. So A into B. Here is the reverse, means OR replaced with and replaced with the OR operation. Here is the plus. Here is the ending operation defined by this symbol asterisk, means multiplication. Then A plus B plus C into again B plus C plus D. Here into means ending operation, plus means OR operation. The POS form can be obtained by writing an OR term for each input combination which produces low output. Writing the input variable if the value is 0 and write the complement of variable if its value is 1. And the OR term to obtain the output function, and an OR term to obtain the output function. Thank you. In the coming lecture, we'll take in the example on the SOP as well as the POS. Thank you.